Hi, Siraj Dawar here. Hope you're fine and doing well. If you love this video, please subscribe and hit the like button. Let's start. I'm going to reveal you men a way to make $1,000 on Instagram with 1 hour of labor. So men, if you're attempting to find something, this is established to work. If you are trying to find something that is smooth to get started with, in case you're trying to find something that does not require any funding, you do not need to spend any cash, and also you can do best 1 hour according to day and earn some money online, then this approach is going to be best for you, even in case you are trying to find some aspect hustle or you're looking to make full-time profits. So guys, this method is best for you. But earlier than we bounce instantly into this video, guys, make certain to press that subscribe button if you're new to the channel, due to the fact we add each day films on this channel on the way to make cash online, so you don't want to miss that out. So make certain to press that subscribe button. Additionally, if you want to hear my #1 advice how to make money online, how to begin online business, I genuinely advise you men to click on the primary link within the description so that you can watch it. Loose video, just need to write right here your electronic mail address, click on get entry to, and I'm going to send you men the range 1 recommendation to make cash online. So let's now not waste any extra time. So how we can make a few money on Instagram. So initially what you need to know is we're going to use Instagram to contact other human beings and to sell them associate products. So that is going to be something that you have by no means visible earlier than, so that you could provide an explanation for you men. What is happening is we're going to use affiliate network known as ClickBank. So if you can't sign on for ClickBank, however, I think all of you guys can join up for ClickBank. In case you can't, you can go and sign up with other associate community cross into studies on Google. However, for this approach we're going to use ClickBank. So what's ClickBank? You may sell these digital courses or digital products for massive commissions, so that you can cross and ship humans for your affiliate and earn from 75 to 90% fee. So display, guys, how are you going to register for ClickBank? If you don't have account, click on create account right here, and in few seconds you can input your non-public records. After that, they're going to invite you guys for a few banking information. You are going to send all of them the appropriate, all the suitable solutions, due to the fact they may be going to ship you men cash. If you enter something wrong, there's going to be a problem in the future. So once you're achieved with that, you can cross and click on associate market, so that you can pick proper right here distinct classes that you could sell your product. So it simply relies upon where a niche we're going to soar into, you can pass and leap into. For example, artwork and amusement, on commercial, enterprise, investing, cooking, meals, wine and weight reduction, weight loss, and many greater classes. So what are we going to do right now? We're going to bounce in weight loss. So how to lose the load category. So proper here you can see fitness and health, so click on that. So right here you could see a few specific products on clipping that you may promote, and this is how a whole lot cash you are going to earn. And proper right here you can see uncommon, in line with sale, how you're going to earn. So what's your commission? So on each sale you are going to get 78, and for this product, and you will earn 37 greenbacks and 20 cents. So this product costs 47 greenbacks, and if a person buys it for your affiliate link, you are going to earn 78%, so that you can pass and check. Obtainable are heaps of various merchandise. Proper here, lots of various commissions you could see this one has common in step with sale 70 samples, $77, which is absolutely quite a few cash simply from one sell. So we're going to, for this we are going to use this application right here, so you could cross and test out how the touchdown page seems like. So this is sales video, and they're trying to promote your purchaser this product. So if they buy the product for your affiliate hyperlink, you are going to earn fee. So I am going to show you men how you may get a few human beings to buy this product, due to the fact we want humans to purchase the product to make cash. If we get 0 sales, we are going to end 0. However, We get simplest unfastened income. You'll earn $100 if you get 30 income. You are going to earn $1,000. So for instance, in a single month to earn 1,000 greenbacks, you want each day someone to shop for this product. So I think this is going to be truly clean with the matter that I'm approximately to reveal you men. So the primary issue that we want to do is we're going to jump proper here on Instagram, and I am going to show you guys how you could go and locate centered site visitors to your product. So right here we will go on search and type in weight loss, so that you're going to look one of a kind pages right here, and we are going to click on, for example, on this first one, so you can see that is a few waist regulation weight reduction published and human beings that generally move in like this page, that like those pics on Instagram. They may be quite interested by dropping weight. So right here you may see all those humans are interested in dropping weight, which might be following this web page. And what we are able to do proper right here is we are able to pass and click on this photograph proper here and click on like. So we're going to search. We're going to see all the human beings that favored this post. So for instance, we are going to click on this first one, and usually if this Instagram page is locked, in case you cannot see their posts, generally you cannot send the message. However, proper, you can see this page isn't always locked. It is public, so that you can pass and ship this man or woman BM. So what you need to do, I'm going to offer you men the script for this message. So right here you can see, good day, I see what you are interested in. Weight loss pics or videos. It sincerely relies upon what they may be preferred. So, and I desired to ask you how it is going with your weight reduction, weight loss journey for now, or something like that. And you may say, this weight loss device helped me lose weight very fast. And if you are interested, and you can check it out here, so you can place your associate link proper here, and you may additionally save. You are fascinated if you need any assist. Properly correct good fortune with your adventure. And proper here you will ship this message, and you are also going to include your associate link. So to show you man how you may create your affiliate link, bounce right returned on ClickBank, and whilst you have registered for ClickBank, click on promote. So proper right here you can input your ClickBank identity that you have remembered while you create your account, and click on generate hop link. So this goes to be your associate link, and what you need to do is you want to duplicate it. So while someone clicks on this associate hyperlink, you will earn fee. So you're going to earn some money. So what you furthermore may go directly to do is you want to move on tiny URL. So you need to make it a little bit shorter, so that is in reality long. You may see it's miles very unpleasant. In my opinion, you could see it looks very ugly. So what you need to do is you want to head on tinyurl.com, and you may paste your URL associate link proper right here, and click on make it tiny. So proper right here you can see we've new URL, and it seems much plenty better. So you need to go return to your script. You want to stick your URL here, so when someone clicks in this one, you are going to send them to associate page, and if sound bought the product, you are going to earn fee. So you need to DM as a minimum 50 people consistent with day. You do not want to move over 50 humans, because you could go and get banned from Instagram for sending way too many Instagram DMs for no purpose. So that you do not want to head, let's consider over 40-50 in line with day, and that is going to be likely sufficient to earn your first sale in line with day. So once you get one sale according to day, you are going to earn 1,000 greenbacks per month with this approach. So handiest 1 hour of labor, and I'm pronouncing that simplest one human beings from 40 is going to shop for. However, usually it is going to be much higher due to the fact people that, as I said, people that like those pics on pages like this, the way to shed pounds, you can see they may be fairly interested by losing weight. I don't know, I don't cross on these pages a way to lose weight for only one motive, due to the fact I do not need to shed pounds. So this is why I don't go on those pages, and you can see they upload a few crazy variations, and these images are very influenced, so that you can cross and sell those merchandise to the human beings on Instagram. So Simply click again on the photograph, pause on likes and search for a person who does not have non-public account so that you can see this. One has personal account so that you need to pass back, click on and pause on the second eye. Don't know why it stopped operating, so let's examine so that you can see this account is no longer personal, so you can pause and ship them. DM ship them our script, so that is script that is going to make you cash. So while a person clicks on this associate link simply to reveal men how it looks like, they're going to get dispatched instantly to weight loss page, so they're going to I said attempt to promote them how to lose weight so that you can see that is sales web page. So this is going to be probable 30 minute video where they're going to give an explanation for your consumer why they should buy this product and how this product goes to trade their life. So this is a win-win scenario. You're helping people shed pounds and you're earning money that manner. So man, this will be it for brand new video. When you have any questions, feel loose to ask in remarks selection, and additionally if you want to pair extra motion pictures like this in case you want to support me for making this content material, make certain to press that like button. Additionally, make sure to subscribe for daily movies on